Having an education in the STEM field has been phenomenal and really important to everything that I do. It was amazing to me how many different avenues I could take in life given my STEM background.
Yeah, it's important for the company to help people pursue education in STEM because science is always changing. We're always trying to improve. We're looking at ways to be more efficient and make more positive impacts.
You can always go to the next step. There's always something better, the next initiative, the next invention, anything that you can find to make it a little bit better.
Scientists and engineers are the backbone of industry. Manufacturing jobs are very important in America. You have the sense of accomplishment. You're actually making something.